Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Thursday, May the 16th, 2013, and here's today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. We want to first start off by taking a look to see how the indices are trading for the day. The Dow Jones is pretty much flat, down a point. The CompQ, the Nasdaq is up a 4.25. The Russell 2000 is up a bit here, up about a point or so. On the RUT index, the S&P is down about a point and a half. The VIX is up 5 cents. Commodities are a little bit mixed today. The GDX, the gold miners, are up 32 cents. JJC copper is up 36 cents. Silver is up 17 cents. We're seeing some weakness in gold again today, down 60 cents. It was down more, but it did come off the lows there. It had a big gap down today. USO showing some strength today, up 22 cents. And if we take a look at the oil index is down 4.5 points. So let's go ahead and take a look at the chart, see what we got going on here. Going into today's session here, we had some overnight selling pressure, but then the market's been pretty volatile today. A lot of chop action. We had some bad economic data that came out for the whole day, and they just continue to buy the market. So if you take a look at the chart here, we got a whole bunch of wicks coming in over the 1657 level. Looks like buyers are a little bit tired up here, and we could have a decent sell action today if we break below this 1654 half level. I would assume that we could go back down towards the opening price. But again, we have to see some more. We have to just see some more. We have to see the dip buyers start to fail. We have to see the people that are buying those dips start to fail. Until then, every time we go down 5 bars on the market, it has been a buying opportunity. But with this action that we've seen right here on the 5-minute chart, it's kind of grind higher. I think we have a possible chance to get some fade action today. So we'll see how it plays out. Again, you want to make sure you keep an eye on this previous day's close, I would say. You want to see how we act around this 1654. If we go into the afternoon session holding below the previous day's close, I think we could fade a bit. However, if we hold back positive, I think they're probably just going to chop us around between the 1657 and 1654 quarter. What else do I want to take a look at with you guys? For those of you guys out there that are trading the ETFs here, let's go ahead and take a look at those as well. We have some, let's go ahead and take a look at those as well. On the SPY, all right, one thing that we're going to be watching over here is this little trend line that's going to be coming in right there around that opening price, right here around 165.77. You can see they had some trouble trying to buy it over this 166.20 level. Some sellers came in a bit there. If we take a look at the Nasdaq had some little resistance up here at 74, but we've been trading in a range on the triple Qs here, above the previous day's highs and this 74 level. If we take a look at the IWM is trying to go back negative here. We have some support back at the opening price around 98. Then we have some more support down here from the previous days, actually around 98, 97, 90 or so. The previous day's lows around 97.69. So let's see what happens. As far as some stocks goes, I've pretty much just been watching the broad market. But as far as some stocks go, you could take a look at Cisco. Cisco's been in play today. Some of the traders have been trading this on the desk. You can see it's gapped up a lot. Huge gap up, and had some trouble at 23.90 here, and may want to go back down towards this 23.52 level. But keep this one on watch. The stocks in play today. Aside from that, just pretty much watching these indices, see what they want to do here. Trending down a little bit. Again, wouldn't be surprised if we get some dip buyers that come right back in. Can't really expect the market to sell off at all until those dip buyers that are coming in that are buying the dip, until that trade stops working. Aside from that, folks, have a great lunch, and now I'll catch you guys after the close for the after the bell market summary.